Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're a little into physics, you've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat. Let's take a look at it. Erwin Schrödinger was one of the founders of quantum mechanics, best known for his famous cat thought experiment. He imagined placing a cat inside a sealed box with a device that had a 50% chance of killing it within an hour. Before the box is opened, what can we say about the cat? In everyday life, the cat must be either alive or dead, but according to quantum physics, before the box is opened, the system exists in a superposition of possibilities. The outcome is not definite until we observe it. Schrödinger found this idea disturbing. He created this example to show how strange quantum theory becomes when it's applied to everyday objects like cats. Even so, the quantum effect behind the story, superposition, is very important. Without it, the computer you're using right now could not exist. At very small scales, particles such as electrons behave like both particles and waves. A wave cannot exist at just one point in space, so a quantum object can exist in many states or positions at the same time. We do not see this behavior in large objects because their wavelengths are extremely tiny. A cat is simply too big and too heavy for its wave nature to be noticeable, but electrons are small enough for these effects to matter. Inside an atom, an electron is not located at one precise point. Instead, it exists as a cloud of probability spread out around the nucleus. When atoms come close together, electrons do not need to belong to just one atom. They can be shared between atoms at the same time. This sharing of electrons is how chemical bonds form. In solids, electrons are shared across huge number of atoms, creating large-scale quantum superpositions. These shared electron states determine how electrons move through a material and whether it behaves as a conductor, an insulator, or a semiconductor. By learning how to control these quantum states in materials like silicon, we learned how to build transistors, millions of them on a single computer chip. Those chips power the device you're using right now. An old joke says the internet was created to share cat videos, but at a deeper level, the internet is possible because quantum objects can be in more than one state at once, and because of an imaginary cat in a box.